Hey guys, quick update from the High Performance house. I have roof above me. My mom and my dad and I worked for the last several days getting this thing to be first step to dry it in. As you can see, it's shiny. That is called a radiant barrier. I'm gonna get more into that in the upcoming video that'll be high quality. This is just an in the field thing. And I'm about to get myself up onto this roof, which is the roof for the studio. That's about a 900 square foot roof, which we are going to be making temporary roofing with this Solitex Mento 3000. The thermostat, which is the OSB sheathing that has the radiant barrier on the underside of it, has a weather resistance of about 30 days. So we need to put this up as soon as possible to make sure that we don't damage that stuff. And it's got an 1/8 inch gap in between everything, so the rain, when it does rain, which starts at 1 o'clock today, supposedly, will get down between those cracks. And now I have shaded my house, but not actually rainproofed it. So it'll be wet and not dry out. So this is the real tender time. We really need to make sure that we rush through this. That's why I'm gonna make this a short and sweet one. Comment, like, subscribe, tune in next time.